Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope that you enjoyed that little special treat for you. So I wanted to end this video with posing you a question. What's under your tree? And more specifically, what are you using to hide that ugly tree stand that you have under the tree? No matter if you've got a real tree or a fake tree, there's always that tree stand that nobody likes to see. So we tend to put a tree skirt around it. In this case, I made a wooden tree collar, and if you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. But in our lives, what are we hiding from this year? Are you hiding from fear? Are you hiding from anxiety? You know, there's been so many things that have happened this year that has greatly affected a lot of people, even down to being offended. You know, a lot of people in social media that maybe have been vocal about their feelings this year, and so you know, you've maybe built up some resentment or some unforgiveness, and those things really just aren't good and they're not healthy. But if you've got a lot of this fear and anxiety and worry built in, there's only one person that can save you from all that, and his name is Jesus Christ. Now this season is all about Christmas, and we know the story of Jesus coming to earth as a baby to be born, to ultimately die for our sins on the cross. But he came to this earth not only to save us from our sins, but he came to set you free from worry, came to set us free from anxiety, unforgiveness, but we have to ask of him. And so in the description of this video, I've provided a link to a website and a page that will actually help you and lead you in a prayer to ask God to come into your heart, for him to change you and to help you along the journey, the process of beginning a relationship with him. You see, since Christmas is all about the birth of Jesus, the greatest gift that we can give Jesus this year is our hearts. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me throughout this entire year. I look forward to next year and all of the plans that I have in store. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.